Hi, it's Bevan Bird. Do you want to change the world and you want to create something that will make the world a better place, but you think it's too difficult to actually make it happen? For example, some kind of healing center, for example. Okay, because I've heard this from people. Well, I'm here with an expert right now I want to introduce you to, Derek Watson with The Power of Purpose. How are you doing today?
Hi everyone, how are you? Derek Watson with The Power of Purpose.
So for someone that has an idea and they're passionate about it, they want to do it, but then they think they need to raise money before they create it, and they have to buy real estate or whatever, that kind of thing.
Correct. Yeah, we teach a lot of innovative strategies on where people might look into raise a lot of money, a lot of capital, where they'll need to provide some big project, right, to deliver some program or service. Our strategy involved is getting, in this case, real estate or a property donated so they can save that cash on hand for their actual program and service. And it's a very innovative strategy because most of those that are nonprofit, for example, do not accept real estate. Very, very few of them do. We actually facilitate it at a very, very large capacity, from small single family homes, vacant lots, all the way to very large commercial properties. And we can get the commercial property donated, for example, and then we have the actual facility itself in which to conduct the program or service. So now all the funds that we do raise stay in the pockets of those organizations and allow us to develop those programs and services, because we didn't use those in the acquisition of that property in which to conduct the service.
All right, awesome. Do you have any examples that you'd like to share with us? Something related to, say, like a healing center, or like, I know you were just meeting with Eva and she has that idea, which is pretty amazing.
Sure.
Yeah.
So one
So that kind of thing.
Yeah, sure. One example is most recent is we have a nonprofit that is serving veterans for their health-related needs, as well as providing housing for them. And again, instead of raising $1 million or more, in that case, to provide those programs and services on a facility, we had a 64-unit, $1.5 million facility donated to the nonprofit. In fact, not just even donated, but the donor also, at closing, wrote them a check for $25,000 that they walked away with on top of that. And now the funding they bring in is now solely geared towards that program and delivering those services, in this case, to the veterans, instead of using that to acquire a property in which to provide those services.
Mm-hmm. Awesome.
Yeah.
So where should someone go? What would be the next step?
You can check us out at thepowerofpurpose.com. We also have a great web class on these strategies called nonprofitwebclass.com, where we go through a lot of these strategies, in particular with donated real estate, in detail on that web class.
Okay, awesome. Well, I'm very happy to begin associating with you with The Power of Purpose.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.